The digital advertising landscape is vast and constantly evolving. While Google Ads and Facebook ads dominate, savvy marketers know there's more to the story. Think beyond the giants. Explore alternative PPC platforms. These platforms offer unique advantages. They can unlock new opportunities for growth. We often get stuck in our ways relying on familiar platforms. But what if there's a better way? Alternative PPC platforms offer a chance to break free. They allow us to connect with niche audiences. They often come with lower costs and less competition. This isn't about abandoning Google and Facebook, it's about diversification. It's about finding the perfect platforms for your specific needs. Alternative PPC platforms offer a chance to experiment. They let you refine your targeting and maximize your return on investment, ROI. This exploration will guide you through some of the most promising alternative PPC platforms. Discover their unique strengths and uncover how they can benefit your business. It's time to think differently. It's time to unlock your full advertising potential. Beyond the familiar giants lie hidden gems. These alternative PPC platforms offer unique opportunities. They cater to specific audiences. Let's dive into 3 compelling options: Reddit ads, Bing ads, and Quora ads. Each platform has its own personality. They attract different demographics. Understanding these nuances is key to success. Choose the platform that aligns with your target audience. By venturing beyond the familiar, you gain a competitive edge. You reach audiences that may be less receptive on larger platforms. Alternative platforms often come with lower costs. This allows for experimentation and optimization. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best approach is to test and analyze. See what works best for your business. Don't be afraid to explore. You might be surprised by the results. Reddit, the front page of the internet, is a goldmine for niche targeting. With its diverse communities, subreddits, you can reach highly engaged audiences, target by interests, hobbies, and passions. Reddit users are known for their authenticity and active participation. They're more likely to engage with ads that resonate with their interests. This makes Reddit ads ideal for brands targeting specific demographics or psychographics. The platform offers various ad formats. These include promoted posts, banners, and video ads. You can leverage Reddit's targeting options to ensure your ads reach the right users. While Reddit ads may not offer the same massive reach as Google or Facebook, its strength lies in precision targeting. By connecting with passionate communities, you can generate higher engagement and conversions. Often overlooked, Bing ads presents a valuable opportunity for advertisers. While it may have a smaller market share compared to Google, Bing still boasts a significant user base. These users are often less targeted by advertisers, making them potentially more receptive to your message. One of the key advantages of Bing ads is its cost effectiveness. Due to lower competition, you can often achieve a lower cost per click compared to Google ads. This means you can stretch your budget further and potentially see a higher return on investment. Bing ads also offers robust targeting options. Target users based on demographics, interests, location, and device. You can also import your existing Google Ads campaigns into Bing ads, simplifying the campaign management process. Don't underestimate the potential of Bing ads. It can be a powerful tool for reaching a valuable audience and maximizing your advertising budget. Quora, a platform for asking and answering questions, offers a unique advertising opportunity. Reach a highly engaged audience actively seeking information. Target users based on their interests, questions, and expertise. Quora ads blend seamlessly with the platform's content. They appear as native ads within relevant question threads. This non-intrusive approach increases the likelihood of engagement. One of the most significant advantages of Quora ads is the quality of its audience. Quora users are typically well-educated and actively seeking information. They are more likely to engage with ads that provide value or answer their questions. If your target audience is actively seeking knowledge and solutions, Quora ads can be a highly effective way to reach them. Provide valuable information and establish your brand as a thought leader in your industry. Don't limit yourself to the familiar. The world of PPC extends far beyond Google and Facebook. Embrace the potential of alternative platforms. Explore Reddit ads for niche targeting. Consider Bing ads for cost effectiveness. Tap into Quora ads to reach a knowledge-seeking audience. Each platform offers unique advantages and targeting options. Experiment with different platforms. Find the ones that align with your target audience and campaign goals. By diversifying your PPC strategy, you can unlock new opportunities, reach untapped audiences, maximize your ROI. The key is to be open to exploration and experimentation. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital advertising, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Alternative PPC platforms offer a path to differentiation and growth. Take the leap and discover the untapped potential waiting to be unlocked.